Hello once again. In this video, we will do the application. In the previous video, we talked about how the sine inverse, tangent inverse, and secant inverse, they can be derived and they can be proved. But in this video, we will talk about solving some of the questions from the KutaSoftware. Let's get started. Let's start with question number 1. In question number 1, they are asking about cos inverse, right? And remember, all the inverse functions, they are nothing but the negatives, right? So as you can see on the screen that the cos inverse is nothing but the negative of the sine inverse x. Let's write the function first, just to train your brain what we are looking for. So we have d dx of cos inverse x as negative 1 over radical 1 minus x squared, right? Let's take the derivative. So this will be a chain rule, right? So chain rule, we will write our function as negative 1 minus, and what is x? X is negative 5x cubed. So negative 5x cubed squared. Right, now the derivative of the negative 5x cubed, that will be negative 15x squared. Let's combine everything together. If I combine everything together, I will get negative and negative will become positive. So 15x squared radical of 1 minus, now 5x cubed, so to the power of 2. To the power of 2 is on 5 and is on x cubed as well. So it will be 25x to the power of 6. The inverse function with the chain rule. Let's try one more. Try question number 7. Again, it is a chain rule, right? Because we have the exponent outside. So by inverse, and just for our understanding, let's write down one more time what is the cos inverse of x. The more you practice with writing, it is just like training your brain. So we have this, what is x? X is the whole entire entity here, 4x squared. So if we put it in the function, but let's take the derivative first. So 2 times cos inverse 4x squared, right? Now the derivative again for the inverse, remember it is negative, radical of 1 minus x squared. X squared is total 4x squared and squared, and again the derivative of inside, which is 4x squared. The derivative of inside would be 8x. Step by step, slowly, chain rule. Let's combine everything together. We have 2 here and 8 here. 2 times 8, 16. So we can combine. I will get negative 16x, and in the numerator we have cos inverse 4x squared, and in the denominator we have a lovely answer as 1 minus and 4x squared to the power of 2. So 2 is on 4 and 2 is on x squared as well. So 1 minus 16x 4. This is the derivative we are looking for. I hope it makes sense.